Hello people, so today we have this Samsung Galaxy S7 came in here saying that the phone is not turning on. There are a few cracks on the screen, as you can see here, the top left corner and the right bottom, and it gives us a proper voltage, meaning the phone is charging well. And also the customer also says that the phone was cracked before as well, but it suddenly turned off. So we will diagnose this phone and see what could be the issue with the phone and then fix it. Anyway, we will try to check it with the screen first. Sometimes what happens is, when the screen get damaged, it might work for a while, but it will stop to work, at some stage. So let's get on with it and see. Give it a heat, as the back is glued, so you have to give it a heat to unglue it. So when we open this, first we will check the phone could be potentially water damage as well, so we will check for the water damage signs. So normally there are white stuff. We need to check if there are any signs of water damage. As far as I can see, it is all clear. There is no moistures or condensation or any sign of water damage here on the main board, and also all the connectors are intact properly, so there is not any loose connection as well. So we will try with the new screen and see, it could be the screen, but we don't know yet, so we will check that. So now we have attached a new screen to it and see if it's still budging or not. We got lucky in here a little bit. As you can see there, the screen is turned on, the charging sign is on, so finger crossed it's only the screen. So the end of the story is, we couldn't fix this phone. We could have fixed it, but the customer didn't want to spend much money, because it's not just the screen that is damaged. As you can see, this side isn't working. There is also a problem with the battery and also a problem with the main board. What happens is the phone is heating up, warming up, and it's reboot the phones again and again, and the phone is getting hotter and hotter as well, which is no good, and it is costing customer more than the phone itself, as it is an old phone too. So he might get it fixed just to retrieve the data, but he will think about it. So we couldn't fix this phone today, as it is the cost is exceeding its limits, So we will leave it here, and we will come back to you with another video with another phone that will be worth to fix it. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and have a good day.